Hi everyone, welcome back to AutoNerveX. Today, we're going to explore the future of luxury sedans with the brand new 2026 Mercedes S-Class. This isn't just another facelift or update, it's a bold statement in automotive luxury, innovation, and performance. Mercedes-Benz has once again proven why the S-Class continues to set the global benchmark for executive sedans. In this video, we'll take you through a full in-depth review of the 2026 class, from its breathtaking design to its luxurious interior, cutting-edge technology, performance upgrades, and of course pricing. Let's dive right into it. The 2026 Mercedes S-Class features a refined and more futuristic design language than ever before. At the front, you're welcomed by a new signature grille that is even wider and more imposing, with vertical chrome slats and the iconic three-pointed star prominently placed above it. The digital light headlamps are slimmer and sleeker, now featuring Ultra HD projection capabilities and animated lighting effects. The front bumper design has been revised with wider air intakes and aerodynamic channels to improve both cooling and downforce. The bonnet has strong character lines that flow into the A-pillar, adding muscular presence to the front end. Moving along the sides, you'll notice a more streamlined profile with soft character lines and chrome accents that give the car a floating, almost seamless appearance. Mercedes has extended the wheelbase slightly for increased rear legroom. The door handles are flush with the body and pop out electronically, offering both aerodynamics and elegance. The car sits on massive 21-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels, designed specifically for aerodynamic efficiency and style. At the rear, the LED tail lamps now feature a new three-dimensional lighting signature with dynamic welcome animations. The rear bumper is more sculpted, and the chrome bar connecting the taillights adds a sense of width and luxury. Even the exhausts have been reshaped with quad trapezoidal tips integrated smoothly into the bumper design. Now step inside, and the 2026 class truly feels like entering a tech lounge on wheels. The cabin is a perfect blend of handcrafted luxury and cutting-edge technology. You're greeted with ultra-soft Napa leather upholstery, real wood and metal trims, and an ambient lighting system that now features over 300 individually controllable LED modules to create a truly customizable atmosphere. The centerpiece of the dashboard is the new 17.7-inch touchscreen that floats seamlessly on the center console. It's paired with the latest MBUX Hyperscreen system that includes artificial intelligence-based predictive features, haptic feedback, and eye-tracking functionality behind the steering wheel. A 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster offers stunning graphics and augmented reality navigation overlays. The steering wheel itself is redesigned with touch-sensitive controls and a leather-wrapped finish that feels both premium and sporty. One of the standout features of the 2026 S-Class is the new Biometric authentication system. It uses facial recognition, fingerprint scanning, and voice ID to customize the cabin settings for each individual user. Whether it's adjusting the seat, climate control, music preferences, or navigation, everything is personalized instantly. Rear seat passengers are in for an equally impressive experience. The 2026 model offers the Executive Rear Seat Package Plus, which includes reclining seats with memory function, massagers with hot stone therapy, neck and shoulder heating, and individual entertainment screens mounted on the back of the front seats. The rear also includes a full-length center console with a touchscreen to control seat functions, climate, media, and more. The Burmester 4D surround sound system has been upgraded with 36 speakers and 1750 watts of power, delivering an unmatched listening experience that literally makes the car vibrate with bass. Under the hood, the 2026 class offers a variety of engine options, but the most notable is the new S580e plug-in hybrid. It combines a 3.0-liter inline-six engine with an electric motor to deliver a combined output of around 510 horsepower and 750 newton-meters of torque. It can sprint from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just under 4.8 seconds while offering an all-electric range of up to 100 kilometers, making it both powerful and eco-conscious. For those seeking even more performance, there's the S58 OV8 twin-turbo version, producing close to 500 horsepower, or the AMG-tuned S63E with over 700 horsepower, blending brute power with silent electric torque. The car rides on Mercedes' latest aerodynamic suspension system with continuously adaptive dampers. This means the S-Class floats over rough roads, yet tightens up when needed for dynamic driving. There's also the optional e-active body control system, which uses a network of sensors and cameras to read the road ahead and adjust each wheel's suspension independently. Add to that rear axle steering for better maneuverability, and you have a car that drives like a much smaller vehicle despite its massive size. When it comes to safety, the 2026 class pushes boundaries. It comes loaded with the most advanced driver assistance features available today. These include Level 3 autonomous driving capabilities in certain regions, enhanced lane keeping, adaptive cruise control with traffic jam assist, automatic lane changes, 360-degree camera with 3D rendering, and even predictive crash avoidance systems. One new addition is the pre-safe impulse side feature, which uses the suspension to lift the car slightly in case of an imminent side collision, absorbing more impact through the floor structure. Now let's talk about pricing. The base model of the 2026 Mercedes S-Class starts at approximately $115,000 in the US market. The plug-in hybrid S58 OE starts around $130,000, while the high-performance AMG versions can reach upwards of $160,000 or more depending on options. With customization, premium interior packages, and added technology, it's easy to spec the car well over the $200,000 mark. It's not cheap, but then again, this car isn't built for compromises. The 2026 Mercedes S-Class is not just an evolution, it's a revolution in how we define luxury, comfort, and driving experience. It manages to be elegant yet aggressive, tech-heavy yet intuitive, and luxurious yet performance-focused. Whether you're being chauffeured in the back or driving it yourself, the S-Class reminds you at every moment that you're in something truly special. It represents everything Mercedes-Benz stands for: innovation, prestige, and unmatched craftsmanship. If you want the best luxury sedan in the world today, the 2026 class makes a compelling argument. Thank you very much.